Hello, my gentle little hearts. Today I'm drawing Mom with her warm and loving smile. While waiting for the drawing to finish, I'll tell you a cozy story about how Mom made everyone's day extra special. Before the story starts, tap the like button softly, so Mom's smile can glow even brighter. The morning sun peeks through the window, painting the sky gold. Bluey stretches her paws, feeling warm under her blanket. Mom! Is breakfast ready? She calls out cheerfully. Give the video a like if you love waking up to Mom's voice too. Mom hums a little tune, her apron fluttering as she cooks. The smell of pancakes fills the kitchen, sweet and fluffy. Good morning, my sleepy pups, says Mom with a giggle. Tap like if you wish you could taste those yummy pancakes too. Bingo rushes in, her ears bouncing in excitement. I want the biggest pancake, she says, jumping around. Bluey laughs and nods. No fair. I woke up first. Press like if you've ever raced for the biggest breakfast too. Mom smiles kindly, flipping a perfect golden pancake. There's enough for everyone, she says gently. Her voice sounds calm like sunshine after rain. Give the video a like for Mom's patient and loving heart. After breakfast, Mom packs a picnic basket full of fruit and snacks. Who's ready for a park adventure? She asks with sparkle in her eyes. Bluey and Bingo jump in circles, shouting, Me! Me! Tap like if you'd love to join Mom's picnic adventure too. At the park, the grass is soft and green. Bluey chases butterflies, while Bingo rolls down the hill laughing. Mom spreads the picnic mat, humming softly to the breeze. Press like if you can feel the sunshine with them too. Watch me, Mom! Bluey shouts, spitting in the air. Mom claps proudly. That was amazing, sweetheart. Bingo twirls too, then tumbles into Mom's arms giggling. Give the video a like for the sweetest family moment ever. As clouds drift by, Mom lies back on the mat. Bluey snuggles beside her, resting her head on Mom's belly. Mom, you make every day feel special, says Bluey softly. Tap like if your mom makes your world feel magical too. Bingo brings a flower crown, placing it on Mom's head. Now you're the queen of the park, she says proudly. Mom laughs gently, her eyes twinkling with love. Press like if you think every mom deserves a flower crown too. The evening sky turns orange. The wind feels soft and calm. Bluey and Bingo cuddle close to Mom, smiling sleepily. I love you, Mom, they whisper together. Before the night falls, tap the like button warmly and dream of hugs as cozy as Mom's tonight.